Florett. The Kreidler Florett is a lightweight motorcycle popular in the 1960s and 70s, known for its speed and agility. BMW 502i 2600 LJ. What a mouthful. BMW 502 was one of the first post-war luxury cars produced by BMW, featuring a streamlined design. It was the first German car to feature a V8 engine, providing smooth performance for its time. I mean, it's kind of depressing to know that BMW has gone from a V8 engine to electric lunacy, but hopefully they'll make the right decision and reverse it. Renault 4L, also known as the R4. Launched in 1961, the Renault 4 is known for its practicality and versatility, serving as a family car as well as a commercial vehicle. Its boxy shape and simple mechanics made it a favourite in many countries, especially in rural areas. VW Standard Limousine. VW Standard Limousine is based on the classic Volkswagen Beetle design, offering a spacious interior. It played a significant role in transportation, especially in the post-war period. Progress Stroich 175. Heinkel Kabinenroller Type 408B1. The Heinkel Kabinenroller is a three-wheeled microcar from the 1950s, designed for efficient urban mobility. It featured a fully enclosed cabin, offering comfort compared to other microcars of the time. And let's be honest, it's clearly one of the most insanely unique vehicles you've probably ever seen. Victoria Utility and Transport Bicycle. Lloyd LP 400. The Lloyd LP 400 was a compact car produced in the 1950s, known for its small size and efficient design. It paved the way for later models that embraced more modern automotive engineering. BMW Isetta 250. The Isetta is one of the most famous microcars, often referred to as a bubble car due to its unique shape. It has a front opening door, which was a novel feature at the time, allowing easier access in tight spaces. Victoria 250 Spatz. The Victoria 250 Spatz is a small motorcycle known for its lightweight and simple mechanics, popular in the 1950s. It was designed for everyday commuting and was favoured for its ease of use. NSU Prima V. Rex Standard. Zündapp C50 Super. The Zündapp C50 Super was a well-regarded moped, known for its reliability and performance. Three-wheeled delivery vehicle Goliath GD750. The Goliath GD750 was designed for commercial use, providing a compact solution for delivery and transport. Its three-wheeled configuration made it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Crash test BMW 116. BMW 116, specifically this one, underwent crash testing to evaluate its safety features and structural integrity. This is basically a representation of advancements in automotive safety technology. Crash test Volkswagen Fox. Like the BMW 116, the VW Fox was tested for safety regulations, highlighting improvements in vehicle design for occupant protection. In other news, the VW Fox is known as a practical, compact car suitable for urban environments. Opel 1.2. The Opel 1.2 is a small, efficient car known for its practicality and fuel efficiency. It has been a popular choice for families and urban drivers since its introduction. Imperia Rheingold 850 with MAG engine. Victoria V99. Steyr Type 50 Baby. The Steyr Type 50, also known as Baby, is a small car that was designed for efficiency and ease of use. It was produced in post-war era, reflecting the needs of affordable transportation. Express SL with a Sachs engine. Wanderer compact motorcycle. NSU 201 OSL. Wanderer Limousine W26L. The Wanderer W26L is a classic luxury limousine known for its spacious interior and elegant design. It reflects the sophistication of automotive design in the early 20th century. Citroen 11 BL Traction Avant. Citroen Traction Avant is famous for being one of the first mass-produced cars with front-wheel drive and an all-steel body construction. It played a significant role in automotive history and is celebrated for its avant-garde design. If you've made it to this point in the video, please let me know down in the comments which is your favourite and why. And until next time, I'll see you later.